Hey guys, Dougie Douglas here, back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a review on Phastek. Basically, we're going to be making the taillight sequential. I actually thought it was pretty cool. Some people don't agree with it, but you know, that's where your opinion lies at. So I'm going to teach y'all basically from with my car, how to put it in, how it looks, and if it's kind of worth it or not. I'm also going to put a link in the description just in case, you know, you want to buy it for yourself. I bought it with something else, which I'm going to do a review on as well, but I paid, it's basically $90 free shipping, but with taxes. So, I don't know, that's kind of steep for some people. I thought it was kind of a lot, but, you know, I still kind of bought it. And so, what we're going to be doing, I already got the hood popped. I already got the box a little bit open. We're going to go over it and then basically see how that goes. So, for you to do this, you're going to have to pop your trunk, as I said. And you're going to have to pop out the 3 clips under these covers. As you can see, I already took them off because I know they're already a headache. And then from there, you know, you pop the cover off, put it to the side. And what we're going to have to get to is this. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying my best. So there's a plug here. There's 2 of them, obviously, because there's 2 bulbs. And we got to get to them. I'm going to show you out the box what you get. Within the box, Phastek, they give you the plugs. You get 2 of them, obviously for 2 sides. You also get a Phastek decal, and you get the receipt. That's basically what comes in it. So I'm gonna open it up, take one, and honestly, you know, it's symmetrical. So I'm only gonna show you how to do the driver's side, but you can catch on. It's the same thing. So yeah, I'm gonna open it up. So from my understanding, they actually updated these over the in the past year, because before this relay box was actually a lot bigger and longer, but now it seems to be smaller. So as you can see, you're gonna have the male end and a female end, and if you look, these pieces look the exact same way as the plugs, like basically right here. So I'm gonna try to show you the best I can with one hand by myself how to do it. So on the plug right here, you're gonna see there's a clip. I'm gonna put this down real quick. Oh, okay. So from there, you're gonna pull the clip out. You gotta squeeze it and pull. Okay, maybe I'm using the wrong hand, so I'm gonna pause it. But yeah, you're gonna basically squeeze it and pull it out. So to make it a little bit easier, because since I'm doing this all by myself, I just unscrew the bulb. So you're gonna turn it well, in this case, looking at it like this, you're gonna turn it clockwise and to pull it out, and you're gonna pull it out. You're gonna see what I mean. So from here, basically it's plug and play. You're gonna plug this piece in like this. You're gonna plug it in, and then you push, and then this plug is gonna plug into this. So it's gonna be the same thing. So I'm gonna put this in first, and then yeah, I'm gonna show you how it looks. So yeah, like I was saying, yeah, you just put it back in and then plug and play this piece right here. And then you just plug these 2 pieces in. You're gonna hear a small click, and then that's basically how it's gonna sit in there. Just like that. So yeah, it's basically gonna do that. You're just gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm not going to show you how that, but I'm going to show you how it looks finished copy wise, so you can get an idea versus what you have versus how it's going to look. So as you can see, this is basically how it's going to look. Sorry, I'm doing this in the day, so I'm showing you to the best of the camera's ability. So this is the right blinker versus how you would imagine it looking right here, where it's just blink, blink, blink. This is more sequential, and it does it for the right signal, the left signal, and also when you put on your hazards, it does it. So I'm going to show you real quick. Now I have it on the left. And I'm going to put it on sequential, so you know how it looks. I'm going to close the hood down, the trunk a little bit. So yeah, so basically, so that's basically it. Personally, I like it. I think it's really cool, actually. For some people, I know it's not gonna be like they're not gonna enjoy it because of the price point and everything, but I think it's really dope. Especially, it's gonna be really nice at night, is how it's meant to, you know, show off and be special. But yeah, so that's basically it on how to basically install and review of the sequential taillights for 5th gen Camaros. The package I got obviously is gonna be from a 2010 to around, if I'm positive, 2013 or 20. Yeah, it said 2013 on the packaging. So yeah, because of the taillights, as y'all know, it had gotten refreshed, and so it turned into the 1 bar. Personally, I enjoyed the 4 separate lights more than the 1 bar. I thought the 1 bar was kind of, you know, lackluster in a sense because you can't do cool things like this. So yeah, that's basically it though for installing the sequential taillights. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'm out.